Good morning and welcome to the VSA Morning Miner. It's Thursday, the 6th of July, and I'm joined by Paul Rankin. Paul, how are you?
I'm very well. A nice sunny day out there for Wimbledon, so we'll hope it lasts.
Yep. Right. Let's get into the mining news. Announcement from Horizonte. They have now received their mining right for the Araguaia project.
Yes, that's right. Mining right is the first of three essential permits, essentially. And what this allows Horizont now to do is begin building the stockpile for the eventual mill startup. They can actually do the pre-stripping and the movement of ore now to the Araguaia stockpile site. The next step or the next key permit would be the construction permit, which allows them to put the mill into construction. And the final one would be the operating permit, which after inspection, it's the government's consent that they can run it at steady state. So this is the first of three main ones.
Yeah, another important milestone checked off, and the stock, I think, in the context of the current market, holding its trading range is fairly positive performance. And as these milestones get checked off, you should expect de-risking to help it move towards a production rating. News out from Andrada Mining as well.
Yes, Andrada Mining, the London-quoted Northwest Namibia 10 producer with drilling results on what they call Spodumene Hill, which is a satellite deposit to their main U.S. district operation. And specifically, this is on two pegmatites designated B1 and C1 on that project. Pretty consistent drilling information there with widths of several meters to a few tens of meters and grades from 0.5% lithium to roughly 1.4%. One of the key points you can see from the ortho photos in the press release is that each of these pegmatites is about 800 meters long. They are in line with each other and separated by about 2 kilometers. The nice thing reporting is that there is almost always tin in these, along with the lithium, but there is also a particular enrichment of tantalum as well. And we know that the company is keen on the pursuit of producing tantalum concentrates as well as the tin. So it would definitely feed into that scenario.
Yeah, and the share price there has been on quite a strong run. I suspect that's since the strategic review was announced and the inference that there was a lot of acquisition interest in the company, and that rally not halted by any of the recent possible changes to the mining laws in Namibia.
Yes, the deposit has been underappreciated, I would say, for quite a long period of time, and the company itself has demonstrated they have the management skill in order to make it happen.
Yep. Q2 numbers from Ferrexpo, I think.
Yes, so that very encouraging numbers out from Ferrexpo here on Q2 production. They've been able to maintain the first pellet line they intended to on a regular basis, and they've actually brought a second pellet line into production such that they were able to produce during Q2 just over 1 million tons of 65% quality iron pellets, which is 18% better than Q1. And it brings the total up to just shy of 2 million tons for the first half of the year, which is a 57% increase from the prior half year in the latter half of 2022. So very encouraging there that they are able to keep moving, producing and moving to the quality specs needed by the steel mills. And the rail haulage is getting it out through Central Eastern Europe countries over to what would be probably Romanian and Bulgarian ports in the Black Sea as well. So very encouraging that they can keep this going.
Okay. Unless there's anything else, Paul, I think we'll call it a day there.
Very good, and we'll see you tomorrow.